Now I wanted to make this video because there seems to be next to no information on the aftermarket of what this wastegate actually is. It's Summit's new design, there's next to little information about it, and they don't even know what this thing actually is. So first off, we have a nice little spreadsheet of how you can route it so it actually controls boost. The unit comes mostly fully assembled, but yeah, they don't even know what this is. They say it's a diaphragm wastegate, which, spoiler alert, it's not. Here's the clamp and flange setup for the outlet, and what anything else that comes in the box is just a few assortments of fittings, flanges. The fire ring and the bottom flange are installed on it already. This is exactly how it came, sealed in the package. All the machining looks pretty well. All the pieces fit together well. There doesn't seem to be any major gaps. So let's take it apart and see what it actually is. For those of you that don't know, this is not a diaphragm wastegate. This is a piston style wastegate. This is essentially a copy of a VS racing wastegate, which is a copy of a different style of wastegate yet again. All the machining looks good. There seems to be no burrs. Everything moves smooth. All the interior faces and seating positions sound good. You can hear that positive little seat as it goes through, and it seats just like a valve does in an engine head. Internal casting is casting. There isn't any really rough edges, but overall it looks well. Inside the top hat where those O-rings slide, very important, there isn't burrs here, and there aren't any. It seems relatively smooth. Nothing seems to be out of whack. Just seems to be overall a pretty well built system. Something that this can do that other ones cannot is you can actually put this together on a bench. You don't necessarily need a clamp or a vise to hold down the wastegate as you put in the screws, but user beware, you should probably just be a little bit careful. But overall, that's it. That's what comes in the box, and that's how it is disassembled and all the internal workings of it. Hopefully you learned something.